Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a real fresh trade-in that is super clean. 2013 Fuzion, $395, has the Blizzard package. Very unique floor plan. Come on inside and let me show you the rest of it. So as we walk in, we turn to the side here. We have the entertainment center. Has your TV, big flat screen, sound bar, DVD player, stereo system, faux brick fireplace, puts out heat, nice and warm. Very nice. Upstairs into the master bath, over here into the bedroom. Nice big couch area, lots of windows. Super clean, folks, I can't tell you. In person, this is just as clean as it looks in the video here. Nice big countertop area, got the bar stools for the breakfast nook, big oven, big microwave, 4-door fridge, lofted bedroom, big double sink, and as we look around here into the kitchen area, all the drawers and storage space down below, nice counter area here, separate fan in the kitchen area. We got the loft above here. Walk through, pass through, half bath. This is a really unique floor plan. Very nice, very clean, very well maintained. Walk into the garage. We have the opposing dinette with the bunk bed above. It's got the patio kit for the rear ramp door. It's got the individual tables that are freestanding that can go in here, outside out on the patio, outside out on the side patio. Washer and dryer hookup in the garage. Another TV here. Exterior man door. Another freestanding chair to go wherever you wish. Very nice. Carpet kit. Storage in the floor underneath in the garage area. Passing back through the kitchen to the outside. Exterior door, big master bath that's going to have porcelain toilets on both baths, nice big glass shower enclosure. I can't tell you how clean this is, folks. Big master bathroom. This has the queen bed, which is plenty big enough. Then behind we have the bedroom entertainment up in the corner with the DVD player, second AC, plenty of cabinet space, plug-ins, got your mood lighting above the headboard there. Nice big wardrobe slide out. We got drawers, nice large hang-up cabinetry, all the books with the owner's manuals, nice to have. Storage underneath the bed. Pass through without going through the bathroom, back into the living room. I don't know if you can catch it, folks, with the nice big flat screen TV, even in the kids' lofted bed area up top. This one, they just didn't miss anything on here. Come on outside. Graphics are in great shape. Gel coat's in great shape. This is new enough to have the auto leveling system. Exterior TV hookup. Exterior marine grade speakers. The frameless windows. Triple axle, heavy tires and wheels. Dual power awning with the Carefree Colorado awning that's adjustable pitch on angles. Let the water run off. As well as having the exterior rear ramp patio deck awning. Comes out, makes a nice big patio out the back end. Connected ladder to access the roof for maintenance. Dual fuel stations, one for the gen separate, one for the fuel station for the toys, so we can run alternate gasoline. Very, very clean. Have not washed it, have not cleaned it. This is how it came in. So kudos to the previous owner. Took very, very good care of it. 50 amp service, large water heater, docking station, real easy to access, heated basement, propane tanks, auto leveling system, 5500 watt generator, loading lights for hooking up out front, the Blizzard package gives you a little extra heat protection. Central vac system, the bag change out down below. Lit here in the basement as well. Added a few hooks for hanging things up, storing things in the basement here. But this is a really rare find. Wished I had a dozen of them. It's the Fuzion 395 2013 model. Get it while it's here if you don't want to spend the money of a brand new one, but want a super, super clean used one, pre-owned. This is a very, very nice one. Make sure you contact me. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. I've been around here for about 15 years, so very excited to see something like this show up. My direct phone number is 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.